Ilyas Nada. I came from Pune to study data science. So I came to Bangalore and inquired about the Datamites. And when I started attending the classes, I got to know about the syllabus, the way that trainers teach, Mr. Ashok and Mr. Sagar, and they are very incredible in their fields of data science.
The Datamites is one of the good institutes within the budget of mid-range people in Bangalore. So first of all, my thoughts were not so good when I came to institution, but having said that, it is completely changed now, and Ashok has really helped me in gaining all the data science concepts to understand, and the environment as well as the facility is very good, and I really feel that this is the best institute in Bangalore.
The trainer is superb, and he is having superb knowledge and good expertise on the subject, and he will make you very clear, and like it's like starting from the scratch. Within a month or half, you will be doing the project on your own.
I chose this course of data science precisely because of Mr. Ashok. Data science, artificial learning, machine learning, these are extremely vast subjects, but Ashok would trim down the course in such a way that you would be able to overcome the immediate challenges that you would come across.
So Ashok is a trainer and he trained me very well, like he's a good teacher. So he taught me the concept and everything very properly. So everything, like now I'm confident about like I can do something in data science. Done one project now, so just got the idea of everything, like what is there, all the topics.
And Ashok is very good trainer. He already taught us very good things, and there are many projects are going to happen here. This will make us to know about the data science more. So it will be very good for changing our career.
The coaching is very best compared to other institutes. I searched for other institutes also, but the trainer is very good here, and the course is also very good. I think for submitting the live projects, and at the same time, it's very beneficial in outside if we learn something here, and it's very beneficial to go outside.
The teachers were like professionals, somewhere like industry experts. So I got my doubts cleared, and I made some of my friends here, and I'm looking forward to work on the projects which I'll be like getting. One most important thing which took my mind, like that was IBAN exam, which is going to be an important factor for this, like joining this classes.
I learned very much from Datamites. From scratch, I did not know any programming. I learned from scratch the programming of Python and all. So I become a data scientist now, so I'm playing properly.
It was a great experience from here, and from the Datamites, you will get a good career.
Datamites is a very nice institute for training in data science, and I am informed for searching Googles.
Ashok sir, outstanding teacher. Some points within the course, the courseware was good, and proper time was given to each topic. So I really helped us to learn everything in detail. It was really good. I liked it.
Here, by searching Google, then when I came here, this is a nice experience. Reaching levels is good, and I'm feeling comfortable when I come into my class also.
Teaching staff in Datamites is very good, and they are very supportive. Experience in Datamites is actually very nice. They are very supportive. Teaching staff is very good, and they are like explaining in a hands-on approach.
I'm a fresher in a triple engineering. I just done triple my BTech, but I'm entering into another field. Ashok sir and Sagar sir, they both done the job very good there, and every staff in the Datamites responded very well, and they intimate each and sessions. So as a fresher, I'm feeling good with this data science course.
Attractive or the exciting part was person who's teaching the course, Ashok sir, he has helped us understand the subject, and it was all through the course that he was handholding us through the theory part, through the domain thing, and seeing that how well we are able to execute. With this, I felt it was a good experience here for the last maybe 1.5 months time here at Data.